In some presentations, you may want to add a video that supports the topic you are discussing. For example, in my company overview presentation, I've added text that explains our mission, and now on slide 3, I want to add a movie that we created that explains about the High Tech Technology Center. As you can see, we have a placeholder that has various insert commands. One of these is the Insert Media Clip command. When you click this, the Insert Movie dialog box appears. From here, you can locate the movie file on your computer and insert it on the slide. If you are working with a slide that doesn't have this placeholder, or you would prefer to use the ribbon, just click the Insert tab, and then locate to the Media Clips group. If you click the drop-down arrow on the movie command, you will see that you have two options from here. You can insert a movie from a file on your computer or a movie from the Microsoft Clip Organizer. I'll just go ahead and select Movie from File, and the Insert Movie dialog box appears. Now, just locate the file you want to insert. Then click the file name and click OK. A dialog box will appear once you click OK. You have to choose whether you want the movie to start automatically as soon as a slide appears in the slideshow view, or if you want to click to make the movie start. If you plan on saying something about the slide topic before you want the movie to play, it may be a good idea to choose the When Clicked option. I want my movie to start as soon as the slide appears, so I'll click Automatically. And now the movie is inserted into the slide. Right now it appears black, but you'll see the real movie footage soon. You'll notice that there are sizing handles around the movie. If you want to resize it, you can click Drag and then release the sizing handles just as you would with a picture, text box, or shape. You'll also notice that now there are two additional tabs on the ribbon: a Movie Tools Options tab and a Picture Tools Format tab. On the Options tab, you can do several things. You can click the Preview command in the Play group and watch the movie. You can watch the entire clip or press the Preview command again to stop it. You have some options in the Movie Options group. If you want to change the volume, just click the Slideshow Volume command and select Low, Medium, High, or Mute to change the movie volume. When we inserted the movie, we chose for it to play automatically when the slide appears in the slideshow view. We could change that here if we want to click to play the movie. Some of the other options allow us to hide the movie during the slideshow, which we don't need to do, have the movie loop, or replay, which we won't do since we will advance to the next slide. You may want to play the movie in full screen where it fills the entire slide. Now, if you do this, you won't see the title text. Or you may want to rewind the movie after it plays. This is a good option if you are going to play the slideshow in a loop. Just click a box to select the option. If you change your mind, just click again to deselect the option. Now, if you want to see how the slide will work in your actual slideshow, let's select Slide 2 and then click the Slideshow View command. The mission statement slide appears. You can advance to the next slide in several ways. I'm just going to press the Enter key on my keyboard. Now, as the next slide appears, the movie begins automatically, just as we set it to. Press the Escape key on your keyboard to return to normal view. Before we discuss Microsoft Movies from the Clip Organizer, let me just point out the Picture Tools Format tab. You may be wondering why this tab becomes active when you insert a movie. While most of the commands on this tab are active, they don't really work like they do with pictures. Changing the shape doesn't change the shape of the entire movie, and you can't use the adjust group to change the brightness of the entire movie. But you can apply a picture style to the movie, which can be a nice touch. Let's go ahead to the mission slide, and I'll show you how these movies from the Microsoft Clip Organizer work. Before we insert a clip, let me change the layout on this slide and resize my text. Now, I have a placeholder here that allows me to insert media clips, but this command only lets me insert files on my computer. To access Microsoft Movie Clips, select the Insert tab, click the Movie command, and then select Movie from Clip Organizer. The Clip Art task pane appears on the right. If you click the Media File Types drop-down menu, you can see that Movies is selected. Microsoft provides you with some movie options, or you can visit the Office Online site for more options. You'll see that the movies that Microsoft provides are really more like animated picture files compared to the movie that we just inserted on slide 3. You search for movie clips the same way as you do traditional clip art. I want something related to computers, so I'll enter that in the search field and then click Go. Here, let's just try this one. Just click it to insert it. And I can also resize it to make it a bit bigger. To see how this clip works in the actual slideshow, just click the Slideshow View command. This is how it appears. Now press Escape to return to normal view. If you change your mind and want to delete a movie you inserted or a clip from the organizer, just select it and then click the Delete key on your keyboard. In fact, I think I'm going to insert a simple picture instead. I think some of the movies in the clip organizer can look good in a presentation if it makes sense with your topic and audience. However, be careful not to choose something that looks silly or cartoonish for a professional presentation. Remember, just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. Spend some time inserting any of your own movies and exploring the ones in the clip organizer.